Can you fit the entire reinforcement learning stack behind ChatGPT into clean Python? Built by Ethan He in the minimalist spirit of NanoGPT, this educational codebase runs 4 core alignment algorithms on a single GPU or Apple Silicon chip without complex distributed frameworks. Production reinforcement learning often hides its math behind asynchronous rollout engines and sharded memory. NanoRL condenses everything into single-file PyTorch scripts you can read in 10 minutes. Language model alignment evolved in stages. We start by imitating human demonstrations, move to comparing pairs, introduce learned value critics, and finally sample groups to remove critics entirely. Supervised fine-tuning is our anchor. We compute standard cross-entropy loss over target tokens, nudging model weights so high-quality completions become the default continuation for given prompts. GRPO skips dynamic rollouts and reward modeling entirely. Instead, it directly pushes up chosen response probabilities while pulling down rejected ones relative to a frozen reference model. Classic PPO pairs the policy with a full transformer critic. The critic predicts state values, letting us compute generalized advantage estimation to balance variance and bias across generated tokens. GAI measures whether a token performed better than expected. It accumulates discounted temporal difference errors across steps, weighting recent feedback against long-term expected returns without blowing up variance. DeepSeek-R1 popularized GRPO to kill the critic. The model samples multiple candidate answers, scores them with verifiable rules, and uses the group mean and variance as its dynamic baseline. Look at the trade-offs. SFT uses static targets, DPO needs paired preferences, PPO requires an expensive neural critic, and GRPO uses cheap group statistics for verifiable reasoning tasks. The memory difference is massive. PPO must store both the policy and a separate transformer critic, while GRPO frees that VRAM for larger batch rollouts and deeper reasoning traces. Even with minimalist scripts, mathematical mechanics hold up. NanoRL converges on toy arithmetic in roughly 30 steps and scales cleanly to verifiable reasoning benchmarks like GSM-8K on local machines. To keep code readable, NanoRL drops production complexity. It uses sequential multinomial sampling instead of VLLM, zeroes out KL penalties, and skips multi-node worker communication. When you peel back thousands of lines of distributed infrastructure, alignment is simply math guiding token probabilities.